Hey there friends, Susan here with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. We have sketch number 82 today. We're going to be using the inked botanical DSP. I've got 3 different patterns and I've paired it with petal pink. First we're going to cut our large section of DSP down to get these 6 small sections that are 1 1/4 by 1 1/4. Then we're going to use the other 2 pieces of DSP and die cut 2 flowers from the Cheerful Daisies dies. Next, I'm using the stamps and the Calypso Coral ink, and I stamped over 3 sections of that DSP with flowers. Next, we're going to do the sentiment with Calypso Coral on the coordinating tag. So these are all the parts and pieces we're going to use for the project today, and you can get all the details on my mini tutorial email if you subscribe. So we start by folding and scoring our base in half with our bone folder. Then we're going to lay out the 6 panels of our DSP, decide how you want to put them on. I started with the top 2. Then I moved on to the left, and then I put on the last 2 down the right. The segments are about 1/4 of an inch apart. You can make them closer if you wanted to, but these are 1/4 of an inch apart. Next, I decided to texture the base with the distress tiled 3D embossing folder. Then we're going to add our panel on top with dimensionals. Next, we're going to add the sentiment and the flower. So the sentiment got put on with mono adhesive. Then I did the 2 flower layers together, and then I popped that up on a dimensional, and there is our finished project for today. I hope you enjoyed the layout and you'll try it with your own projects. Again, you can subscribe here to YouTube so we don't miss out on anything that I'm sharing, and you can check out my website at pumpkinhillstampers.com. Leave me a comment. I'd love to hear what you're thinking. Have a great day and do some fun stamping.